Hey everybody out there, I'm Jeff Holt, a V-Twin Visionary. Nice to see ya. Today I have something really cool for you to check out. These are the machined in the USA, 100% beautiful and functioning lower legs from HHI, otherwise known as Hawg Halters. These things are 100% machined in Georgia. As you can see, they are beautiful. They use all stock bagger stuff. You want to just put these on and use your stock bagger fender, you can. You need radial brakes, but they do make mounts for regular brakes, so you could use that, but why would you, man? If you have something this beautiful on your bike, you really need to step up your brake game and your fender game and your whole life game, I think. So we're going to be putting these on our project bike, the CVO Killer, in the coming weeks. So you will check that out on our YouTube and on our Instagram and on our website. These things come complete, axle, hardware, you name it, they got it. You can get it in a myriad of colors, but man, I'm all about this as machine right now, and you're gonna freak out when you see this bike.